Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Drill 'em Down. It is a four-wall dance that move counterclockwise, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, watch till the end. So guys, this is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. It's upbeat, so I'm going to show you a modification just in case you don't want to do the turn, okay? So let's start on this wall right here, facing in this direction, okay? So it's going to start on the right foot, tap out, kick and cross, tap out, kick and cross, and you're moving up on the right and the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1, 2, kick 3, 4. Out 5, 6, kick 7, 8. And I want you to count with me. I want you to learn how to count, okay? So count along with me, and you'll get the concept, believe it or not. All right? So out and cross, out, kick and cross, step, out, kick, cross, step. Okay, so we move forward and we're going to tap back and cross back. Tap out and cross back. Moving on the right and the left. Then we're going to come back. Right, left, coaster, step. So we move back. Right, left, right, left, right. Again, we move back. Right, left, right. Coaster step. So we do out, kick and cross, out, kick and cross. So that we did that on the right and the left. That moved us forward. Now we're going to move back with the tap out, cross back, tap out, cross back. Then we're going to continue moving back with the right, left, coaster step. Right, left, right. A right coaster step. Okay, so that coaster step, it speeds up. Right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1, 2, kick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, and 8. So my last step is on my right. I'm going to pivot 2 times. Step, pivot, half. Step, pivot, half. Okay? If you don't want to pivot twice, because it is an upbeat tempo, you rock up and you rock back. So you go left, right. If you don't want to pivot, do the 2 pivot turns coming back to this wall. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, pivot, turn with the left shoulder coming forward. And you're doing it twice, each time making a half turn. Okay? So let's put it together from the top. Out, kick and cross. 5, 6, 7 on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do it again without the turn. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you rock up, left, right. Last step was on the right. Then I'm going to tap, right, left. Let me show you this way. Tap, right, left. So it's tap, rock back, step. And I'm not going to recover because this is a rock back and recover. I'm going to go tap, right, left. Tap, right, left. Okay? So I just did my step, pivot, turn, step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half. My last step is on my right. Then I do that tap on the left. Left, rock back, step. Okay? My last step is to be on my left. So make sure you go left, right, left. Okay? So my right leg is back. I'm going to kick right and kick left. Moving forward. Okay? Then I'm gonna do my turn, 3/4 turn, front, side, moderate, 3/4 turn. So the dance moves here. I'm gonna give you a modification if you don't wanna do that 3/4 turn back with your right shoulder coming back. So I went tap, tap, right, left, kick right, kick left, 12, 3, and moderate 3/2. Moderate 3/2. And that's the end of the dance. So if you don't want to do that, you kick right, left, front, side, right, left. Just turn here. Okay, see how easy that was? So if you don't want to do the 3/4 turn back, or moderate the back, with your right shoulder coming back, 3/4 turn, do front, side, right, left. And you there. Quarter turn to your left. So you do it front, side, moderate, or front, side, right, left. And make sure you step right, left, because we're going to start on out on the right. Okay? Let's put it together at this wall. 5, 6 from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it from this wall again, doing with the modification. Okay, make sure you count it with me. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did 2 modifications. I didn't do the pivot turn and I didn't do the 3/4 turn. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do the turns first and do the modification. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. 1, 2, kick 3, 4, 5, 6, kick 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. All right. So let's walk through the steps again. So right, kick, step, left, kick, step, out, cross, back, back, right, left, coaster step. Pivot half on the left, step pivot half on the left, step pivot half on the left. Tap on the left, tap, tap, rock, back, kick right, kick left. Front, side, moderate 3/4. Okay? So let's do the count to make sure we got all the steps. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5, 6, 7, and 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. And there you go. Now let's do it without the turns, okay? Which is left, right, and front, side, right, left. Instead of doing a 3/4 turn back, make a 1/4 turn to your left. Modification. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1, 2, kick 3, 4. Out 5, 6, kick 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coaster step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there you go. That's drilling down. So I taught you the original choreography with the turns, and then I taught you with the modification. So instructors, you can teach it both ways because it is a up tempo dance. And so they might not want to do the turns, so you can show them the modification, okay? So that is Drill Them Down. My name is Linda Sims. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.